Some people I have two live for share with you know. Seeing RT boss, he might make some predictions about Brit and I think him talk about Spice a little bit. So me I gonna react to this for the first time, you know what I mean? So me I gonna tell you know what me think good of my opinion, you know what I mean? He might predict some things about Brit, you know what I mean? And on a level still people, Brit been acting weird away although that's nothing new when it come to Brit. But you know what I mean? A person can look on her actions and say, boy, you know what I mean? Say further down the line, such and such may happen to her or whatever, whatever. So we got here with RT boss have to say about Brit and what him have to say about Spice. Right? So Momo, you know my people, have some things to say about Pretty Dan and him say something about Vibes Cartel also. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get tonight, we're gonna kick it off with Momo and then we get into the rest side.
Coach, but you're not emotional. You're not a girl at the end of the day. That's just the truth. And then when I see you on the live, oh, Momo, no manners. You're not on manners, so if I have manners to, I don't even know what to call you when I'm on manners. There's real life outside of this. You know, my belly bottom hurt me when my mind. You know, it feel for God give you somebody will complete you. You will never know what that feel like. That's why I'm so miserable. That's why it's easy for me to be negative. Because when I cuss a girl, I want to cuss people who trouble me. Me not trouble people who not trouble me. But you see, through my full of love, I can't get up every day and just a class people. You don't feel for somebody to love you, will lay up on the ground for you, because no fun to talk about love, you know. But if you have love, or if you have love when you feel like you can't express and be what you want it to be. One thing, you know, I grew up in a household where, remember, me are the first one born a foreign. I grew up with a father who loved me. Tomorrow, if I tell my father, my mother and my father say me, I them did not go love me the same way. They were going to love me. They were going to cherish me. They was going to deal with me the same way. They wouldn't cost me. We come from a community in Jamaica where people bash you over your sexy. So I understand why you're angry. I understand why sometimes you put on the clothes and want to be ling-ling and a this and that because you don't know where to fit in. I understand why anytime something happens, you can vlog. You can vlog, you know. Because you do a very good job at vlogging. But you see, sometimes you go too far where you disrespect people. I mean, enough, nobody I tell you. You go too far, like you feel like you're higher than everybody else. And all that was going on, all the information I've got from credible sources, because I talked to your wife, I'd never even mentioned certain things. The only thing me say, you go up and dance a hot seat and the man them say you look like you did one fuck. You start act like ling-ling after a cup of drink. But you touch me. And there's certain things, I will never threaten you people on internet. But there's certain things I don't do. So there's certain disrespect. You see how the bigger the platform is, and the bigger the disrespect. It's like you don't know yourself and you don't turn around and apologize to a person and then you curse them again the next year. You know something I feel sad for you? Because tomorrow if my son come out as a and say, Mommy, my life, man, me still I love my son same way, man, I look upon him sexuality. Man, I said we grew up in a society at Jamaica where that is not acceptable. So them beat you, them call you all sorts of things. You probably was fighting with your identity and sleeping with men after men after men and realized that you really just wanted to be with women but you wasn't accepted. So you see the day you go for my man, kind of the principles and the moral, and then me see you go live talk. Me don't want anybody talk about my wife. You're rude out there, so me must rude against you. But I must clap up your foot bottom. And here and behold, when the shit went down, I got first class seats to you and your wife business. Never asked for it. And she's a wonderful girl. But sometimes you individuals are damaged. So you damage people while you not go on a journey. On a damaged people can know yourself. Camille is a wonderful girl. And then don't flick on the head. All of a sudden, oh, she want man, she want this, or she want that. Come live and talk about for your business. If you go class me, you know, I'm going to be done, you know. Not even a class, you know. I couldn't say anything. I never did answer nobody what did a class me about doing it. I know it never real. But when if you go class with my man, will love me, will hold me to the ground, when me I tell you to the band they would have damn now ask Christ and give me one different type of love, now me I have a problem.
Me not lie my people. Pretty than and most of these people on the internet, them ramp rough. You see me I say, yeah man, them ramp rough. And some of the time you see them cuss today and tomorrow are them that good. Like nothing never happened yesterday. You see me? So sometimes me not to watch them when them are going with whatever them are going with. You understand? But Momo and Pretty Dan a long time them are this one another, and me never really see them like chat back as friend. You see, so it look like say a real beef a go on because for RT boss level, me see RT boss and Pretty Dan cuss and them talk back. You know what I mean? But me never see that with Momo. But we are gonna watch some more me people. I'm wanting to tell more to think.
Because I can guarantee you never experienced a love there. You don't know what it is for someone to love you where they will sacrifice themselves. They love you because even on days when you don't feel the feeling in yourself, you don't know what it is for when him drop off the bike the day I jump out of my sleep and I text him. I say you're okay while he's laying on the floor. You will never understand a soul tie and a connection like that. So yeah, that's all I have to say to you. I get everything off of my chest what I feel like. Next on the list. It's the list, yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Fake friends on the internet. I felt like I have hit an all-time high with fake friends on the internet. In real life, I don't consider half these people my friends. I know today they say yes and tomorrow they say no. But I'm toxic, I'm a narcissist. I will know that you're not shit and I entertain you in my realms. I'll add you to my page. I know you don't like me. I know you'll be chatting shit about me. I don't know, guys. I'm entertaining. I'm using it for entertainment too, so I'm just as guilty too. You know, say your dog shit, just using it for entertainment. I'm going to be 40 next year. This last year has been a very, even this year to last year, from losing my partner has been a very hard and eye-opening thing for me. I come on the internet every day and I smile. I come on the internet and cry sometimes. But now I have to see my value and my peace. You see, if you don't know a name, I don't know local, and I make people know, you know, I not answer, you know. Me clap on up a little bit, you know. I go remind you to say on a bed. I go remind you to say on a prostitute. I go remind you to say no life miserable. I go remind you to say no broke and really hungry. I go remind you to say yo like me full of peace and life is amazing. I'm always on a plane flying and men love me. I go remind you no once in a blue, but I'm not gonna address you no more. I will no longer entertain you. If you don't like me, stay off from my life. And if me feel like you don't like me, I'm not add you up. I don't go on. I just close one big chapter and want to wait lift off of my chest. I realize that. Hey, my wifey. Nicole Kitchen is my wife. Everybody know that. Wait. Are the Real Vibes Cartel that? That can't be the Real Vibes Cartel. You don't behave on yourself. Look, you don't need to stop use cartel name. Okay. I don't know, say that I'm about to free Addy. I never mention it, but free Addy. Free Addy. Matter of fact, I'm never gonna put that on my list though. I have to end that with Addy. Sorry, hold on. I don't know, say me kind of tipsy. We can't end this live today without talking about World Boss. Because I have a very important message for World Boss. Yes, I'm just add to my list. Of course, I know he's free. So I'm going to say, free Addy him, free up. Okay, no, we know, so I'll always say Gaza. Yeah. Me don't want a fake friend. Because in a real life, I'm a loner. In a real life, I stay by myself. I'm social on social media. And I've come to a conclusion that I have a dirty habit. Before my man died, he told me, he said, I'm just going to give you an example. He said, if someone give you icy mint, Momo, you hold on to it. You always say, yeah. Even if you know the person a dog shit, you say, but that person they give you icy mint. And you hold on to the icy mint there. That's what him said to me. And it's true. I'm loyal as shit. Because once I love you, once I check for you, I check for you. I start telling my friends that I love them. Even if I love somebody, I start telling them. I never used to use that word. For me to tell somebody I love them, it's like pulling a tooth out. And then I realized that I didn't grow up so affectionate like most people. But I know that I have empathy for people. So I know that some people are no good for me. But I always look at them and say, well, you know what? The person has stayed this way, but no, I'm having new page, baby. A person stays this way, but because I'm not judgmental, so I accept them for who they are. I'm not doing that no more. I'm not doing none of that no more. If you don't like me, if I feel like there's some type of energy, because I have a lot of friends who are in secret competition with me. You have a lot of people that hang around you because of who you are. You have a lot of people that will sit down, and these people are your downfalls, where you think you are elevating them, but then like Mr. Me's a narcissist, so I have to take blame. There's people that are entertaining my energy, because this is social fuck. Yeah, we know that people don't like when everybody love you. Because if 50,000 of them hate me, I have 100 grand worth of them love me. And that is just the truth of the matter. People do not like when people celebrate you or love you or give you ratings, especially when their real life is messed up, especially when they want that spotlight, especially when you're not perfect. I remember saying I'm not perfect, you know, I'm talk my truth, you know. And you have people who connect to me, you have people who love me, all types of people. Sometimes I look upon people and say, you know, Shauna careless, why you follow me? Where you follow me from? You're a decent woman, you're a decent man. Where you do follow me? You understand what I'm saying? And then I realize it's my transparency. Even though some people are like, oh, Momo, keep certain things private. I'm not a private person. I've accepted that I'm a public figure. I've accepted that my downfalls, I've accepted that my worst days on social media when I'm crying save more people than I could imagine, based on the DMs that I got. When my man died, for 20,000 DMs of condolences, I didn't expect that. I don't know where they came from. I couldn't, and I had to look at it. There was so much people that love and support me. So much people were telling me they were crying with me.
Some people want to tell me what they think in the comment section, right? Tell me what they think about what Momo have to say, right? About our man and him drop out. And because you see, loss, my people, is not an easy thing to deal with, you know. You know what I mean? Especially if a somebody where you around 24/7 and them weird it. You see it, you go feel some way. You see it. So me know what I think about that. So we're gonna go over to RT boss, you know, and hear what he must say about Brit. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna start this so now. Who remember when time we read Pretty Dan and tell her about Jamaica? Who remember that? Tell me something I can't go into this now. Alright, I want to share something with you now. You have to bear in mind, when you see me go up on the people them live, alright, most of them don't respect me. And most of them see the things them. And you have to understand, say, the reason why I do it is because I just me that. I know them, alright, I want to understand the people that believe in it, you know. I know them not believe, you know. I know them not rate me in it, you know. And it's not, so I want you to understand that. But the reason why I still tell them is, yeah, just because I me that. Me can't help myself than to talk. Because I don't like me a proof point. Because everybody know me can do me look a thing who believe. And them not really like me. So me not have to tell them. But the moral of the story is, even when me tell them at the time, you know them not believe. When me tell them at the time, you know them not believe them and upon it a joke, even though me tell them. But me tell them knowing that me want to tell them and the royal family go, listen this.
I didn't want to interview with our reach and Jamaica, but I don't know what interview me and don't chase at them the year yet.
Really get love life. Alright, let me do it where you can understand. Do that one first.
One of RT Boss's predictions come to pass.
You should go in Jamaica this year. There is a status to fly.
I will send me, Lord God, this is one of me make and I play, you know, like other people have send me on my phone and it download already.
You supposed to go to Jamaica?
Yeah, this is my one.
Where gone?
It's really your love life. Also, you should go in Jamaica this year. There is a status to fly, and this is your year. Those are traveling 23, 24. What are we going to Jamaica with a suitcase? But one thing more.
Alright, and then now.
I didn't want to interview with our reach and Jamaica, but I don't know what interview me and don't chase at them the year yet.
And what is important about it is she reached Jamaica. But listen what she said, let me beat her on this. This is what she said now. Let me beat her.
I didn't want to interview with our reach and Jamaica, but I don't know what interview me and don't chase at them the year yet.
Alright, because does she ever been on stage yet? To be on stage and them place there, you have to have a content and something about you for recognize for pass. Like to be on stage and entertainment report is like when you go up on them thing there, you win. You read.
A few moments later.
How about this?
One eternity.
Who sent me the message here? Alright, I'm gonna go yes or no. Also, the scandal with the wife. What we are talking about? Oh, the scandal with the wife. Yeah, alright. So, let's see that Jamaica. And this now.
You sure? Yeah. 'Cause I see a baby. Well, that's good to you. I don't want you near me. Well, me don't want no more baby. You don't see such I'm hard.
Alright, so that's another one. No, me have another one now. Royalty, you want it? Record it. I have another prophecy. And the only reason why I will give that prophecy again, because me like the person and respect them. And I've been talking about it a long time in the group. I made a talk about it here on the live. And now, yeah, I talk about it on the live. Someone might know me I come with. Let me see if I can chance somebody. Who for name me got call? Who for name me got call? Text it in quick. Let me see if I know for name me got call. Who me got come with? No. 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 I pay mix up people over here. Wanna mix up no bad no ras ma. No. Cause when I select some mix up there, me can't get profits with people I know. Brittany.
Alright, people, here I go talk about Brit, you know. You see me, I'm want to hear what you say and leave on a comment in the comment section, right? So, tell me what you think about what him say about Pretty Dan and going to Jamaica. You know what I mean? Because eventually still, you know, people, me feel, you know what I mean, Pretty Dan would have got Jamaica, but when? You see me I say? So, wanna tell me what you think about that but when should I go to Jamaica? Cause we did see she lift up go Canada. That's what I say. So me did that thinking of myself say if she lift up and go Canada, she not can go to Jamaica too. But me don't know all the things set up in America still. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Make we hear what RT say about Brittany now.
Yes, Brittany. No, let me tell you this for Brittany when me see, right? Oh Jesus, that's the third time I'm gonna call her name. Alright, hear me out now. Brittany is going to have a rough end of year. A very rough end of year. Medical condition, psychiatric condition, family problem. It's like this. What may I try to say? Their help need to be granted. If the help don't granted, then she will be. This is what I want to know. I don't know debt not granted. If the help don't granted, she will become a mad somebody full time madman, full time mad person. So that's where she heading, to a full time mad person, like Walker Road madman. That's the help she needed. Mental problem, and it's not witchcraft. Witchcraft was there in the past for cause her to fear stage, but what is causing this now, another witchcraft, is because of trauma and life and mindset and think and depress and all of that. It's like you lick a chip and you beat yourself. So it's a mental stage wherein if she get the help early, everything will alright. Once she get the help early, she will alright. So that's the thing. She has to get help. Mental problem, but rule Obia out because you can't see it and treat it for Obia because that's not Obia. That is just doing that. You're going through a lot before and more pressure come on it. You lick a chip and it become a mental state situation. So that's the situation. I supposed to talk to you, Madam Treaking today. Madam Treaking. Alright, sit there, sit there. Sit here right in front of me there. What's your name? See your name, Mark. Let me pronounce it. Anna Kim. See there? Yeah. Right there, see that, alright? I'm supposed to talk to you when we come out for the live. Alright, what we did now? So, what we did? What we did talk about? Brittany now. Alright, anything else more put up before I'm going to teach you something? Alright. So just that. Ooh. I see a scandal. Text in scandal. I see a scandal that will hit Switzerland that is going to shake him a little bit. Going on in the 25. So it's like him road to Carson or Carson level I got a little bit shattered. Him road to Carson level or Carson, what the guy name? The black guy, blogger guy, whatever. I got to be a little bit shattered. There's gonna be a scandal and everybody gonna say a sadness and a tree mix up with this and that and this and that. So it's gonna be a scandal that will shake him. Carson, what name? Carson, yes. Alright. Let me teach you something too. A lot of you people want me read on what more want to read on yourself. Take a little pressure for me now. You down for that? But it's not everybody gonna get reading. Only certain people. You down for that? The first thing is, come on, one reading. You down for that? The first thing after reading is, this is the year of the dragon. Only dragon are gonna get reading. you're going to know first if you're qualified to get the reading. You're going to know if you're a Jagan. Now, if you're in the Chinese astrology or orders, it's a little bit different.
Alright, so my people, where RT boss, I say, about Brit, right? Like people who I watch Brit for the longest while know say, yo, there's something wrong with Brit, you know what I mean? And the support where she used to get where she now get that affect her a little bit too, you know what I mean? But I hope say she can overcome that, you know what I mean, and get back on track because there's a mental issue there, you know what I mean, and it can get worse. You see me? So to the Swiss thing, you know, my people, every great man have a hiccup in a them journey. Is how you recover from that hiccup. You see what I say? So whatever RT boss I predict, you know what I mean, I feel like say Swiss is strong enough and him have people around him where, you know what I mean, we got him back certain way, although you never know until you know still. But make we see if that a go happen. You know what I mean? And if it happen, how him recover from that.
Hold on there. Hold on. So, take it. Chinese, 1 minute. Write down this. Chinese Jagan here. Don't make me forget. Don't forget. Me have a look a quick thing I agreed. Nasty Daya. No miss you over there. Bring me down. Bring me till me can't bring down no more. You come ask the reading. Let me tell you something. Leopard, lizard, shark, whale, mosquito, ants go bite you. Nastiness. I'm behind it. Me I go laugh. Too wicked. You are come here, I come there, but like me, your friend, but you are reading, me see comment, me have to pass me thing there because, girl, you know me hot for your blood clot long time, and now you catch me now, me cooling, and you are come a brawling. Sorry everybody, me have to dash it out. And you're lucky me get look cute this morning because I never really want to come and mash up the vibes. But good girl, people like, you see people that want to see in the box. Moderator, you see people that want to see in the box where I bring me down. Bring them out for me now. All the people when you know, when you see them in the box where I bring them down, when you see them in the comment that try act like me and them good, bring them down for me. Put them ass out. Please. I could go back to the thing. Alright. Don't entertain them. Once you see them in the box and you know what them I don't want to bring me down, just mute them. We don't want no friend from them. We don't want no freeness from them. Just get rid of them. Alright, move on. The Jagan. Here what we do first now. I'm going to analyze the Jagan if the Jagan work. I'm going to teach you now. So all of you will agree, we're going to teach you and you're going to read yourself and we'll understand this whole part. But first you have to listen. If you want it, just feed me 2 seconds of crystal ball. We'll heap of them just text like, we'll heap of crystal ball, feed me them. So remember, I'm calling election for Donald Trump already. And I told you that I don't know if I'm going to take it back. But you see Kamala cause problem with your physical eye. And Kamala cause a problem in the spiritual realms. But also remember that it can change because it's an energy. So Kamala is a 76 too. 1976. So therefore, cartel free, Kamala can free too. But hold on. Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump is two-faced. Just like the energy. Mr. Trump's sign is a two-faced sign. Two-faced. And the Jagan have a 76 out there. And the energy can change and Donald's in a two-face. So that is why Donald energy like this, because it can swing good and it can swing bad because him is a two-face So that is why the election is like this, because it's the ear for the dragon versus the two-face, so the energy tense. Somebody said, then I can't read it then because you're not a dragon right now. So we're talking about dragon and this right now. All of who see no numbers, all of who see no ear text in it. If you see your number upon that, text in me. And if you see a number upon that, I am now telling you, you're supposed to have a good year this year and going forward a lot of people. Gemini a two-face? Is it Gemini a two-face? Listen to me. If you see any, okay. If you see, oh Lord. Lashan, you see yourself? Okay, your ear. If you see yourself a your ear, meaning you have a good ear, money problem breakthrough. Alright, then look on cartel then. Look on cartel, you see the miracle? And Lashan, me keep on tell you as an example, but the mega, yes, Gemini is two-faced. Okay, thank you, darling. Big up yourself. Yes, Gemini is two-faced. So you see what I'm saying? So if once you see your information right here, so it's a good ear for you, for the dragon. And I'm telling you that if you just learn this and you're seeing the signs say the ear good for you, just remember, say Christmas soon come, you can get more. Do what you do. Speed up. Any business transaction, do what you do before the year done. Don't make the next year done, because this is like a miracle in that sign, yeah. That's why the dragon, that's why you see the Chinese them celebrate this, because this come in a certain time. There's like every certain decades, there's a little miracle in that atmosphere, yeah, under the dragon when you're born. So me a rabbit. So you have to go do what you have to do, get busy, because you're season right now. So anything you do, don't bother drag your foot. If enough or maybe, just move towards it, because your season, next year is a different season again. Now teach you something. You gotta move. Like, now you know this, you have to get busy, because how you can activate your busy quick, because if this is facts, yeah, I gotta say about me not lie, me not lie, me see little changes from the ear start, some little things are going on for me not lie, me really see changes, because everybody have them time when they have a year where ear go on for them, and if it's so lucky where this ear are going for you, you are a diatic dragon of the sign, that is why. And I also want you to know this, if you see a number here, make it easier for me to go and analyze the dragon and read, because you will get more clarity there. Meaning, it will tell you what type of person you are, because me can't get into that right now. It will tell you what type of person you are, because for me, I'm a rabbit, and it tells me that I'm very kind, I'm very caring, and so forth. So for you now, it will give you more detail, but blood clot, me carry got the water. If you drink it, you have to fill your belly. I not feed you. So the fact that I say, see some water, yeah. This is the fountain. If you want more, go back, go drink it. Don't expect me if you come babysit, you know. You understand? So take the cup of water, drink what you want to drink, take out more if you want to go more, and leave me.
Alright, some people, we're going to go over Rosalie, you know, and the Lion Man, because he bust a little thing a while ago where he must say Chin Chin and Italian them gone back together. You see me I say, me don't know if a real thing or because him say Italian I do something then, so we are going to hear what he must say, I know my people. So, we could get into that.
Would I say something about me now, but I say that
Again?
Yeah.
Tonight again? Tonight again? You come again with that story that tonight? You would have, so what you want to say, Jayden? What the fuck?
No. How was the day, Rosalie?
My day was fine. You see me a glow.
From me left, you me just a glow.
Man, pull up me here. I'm ready.
A long time. I've been in about 1 month now, you know.
Yeah, take it out.
Yeah, the weight loss program, Jayden. Remember, you have to carry me.
When?
24th.
Look how far that day.
Yeah, but when I take I'm going to take out my license. I'm going to tell her about 3 years.
When I want to go to the license?
Next week. I'm going to go driving class. Like one day before Ashley come back.
Nate said date change every day.
What?
Somebody said Humbuck.
Wow.
No, you're talking white, the fuck. All white party, I keep in there.
My tongue white, but at least you can't go to the dentist to brush my mouth.
How long that?
I have a 6 month monthly, but you don't know about them, so because you not go.
Yeah, me not go. Me not need to go.
Yeah, but you don't know about that. It's every 6 months you go. So if I want if all white party I keep you up on ya, no black part me I keep in a them ya. The rotten teeth in the mouth.
Well, no rotten.
No cocoa bed in my throat.
We're sealing our leak though.
Yeah.
Who's the throat deep, man? Your throat so deep.
You don't have deep throat?
No. Rose, ask Roger.
Everybody has deep throat.
No. Roger and Perry.
You have it, but you just don't know how to use it.
Cardell.
Everybody have deep throat, but you just know how to use a deep throat. He said if you don't know how to use a deep throat, I would not worry about mine.
Man, then wipe it up there, please.
No wiping and no chat. Learn to use a deep throat. Make all white party keep on my beloved clad tongue. Last time me check, when I got the dentist, they sit on outside and wait till my mouth done clean. Member 7 have white blood clot.
Rose, now one news to tell you.
What?
You know, she said Shauna and Italian they back.
That's about it.
After she beat him. After she beat him.
My house got my good dentist, give her shut my mouth.
I really think.
When you can't talk with girl about certain things, when you can't talk with me about hygiene.
I really think me not lie. Me see my, hold on, then if you want Shauna, why you play Shauna song?
Say if I want part to keep on ya.
Me see him a play. Me see him. Hey, Nikki, ever bless. Go suck out your mother, girl. How the fuck you and a girl let I play them song? That makes sense?
Tell the man and the girl want to look how long you say you're actually you're fuck her. What you mean by Jayden? Yo.
You know, say come like man mascot too, you know. We are not girl not there. I play our song.
We're the broken art school. Jayden, when last I clean the braces?
A long time. I'm not brush my teeth, you know.
I had to tell me about mouth.
You ever smell my mouth?
Well, I'm seeing in your throat. I'm seeing in your throat.
No, me not do it. Me not do it if you see in my throat.
Mama, see in your throat.
Ask Roger for that. Man, them wipe it up.
Yeah, Damien.
Some people out of everybody on social media, you know what I mean, or say them a friend or whatever, them two yeah, have a different relationship. You see me I say? Them two yeah, really check for each other. Big woman thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Out of everybody on social media, man. Rosalie and this youth, yeah, like, them check for each other differently. You know what I mean? So, Shauna Chin and Dalian, you know, my people. Well, me don't know if it's about that still because them say all fire tick easy to catch. You know what I mean? And if two person used to date and them stop date, you know what I mean, them break up or whatever, that no mean say them have to turn enemies, you know what I mean, them can still be friends. So them no really have to dey back still for, you know what I mean, for it play our song and them way there. So make me know what you think in the comment section, my people, cause them no really have to dey back still, you know, them can still be friends. Nothing wrong with that. So make you watch some more.
If I had Jamie and Jayden already.
Sure, shoot for him too.
Man.
Bro, them see, here in your mouth.
Here?
Yeah.
Where?
Near Toba.
Tell us so good, y'all about the blood class and y'all about the blood class same thing. But I will tell us stop competing back with these bitches. No, them the bitches that time don't expire. See them 15 out of fame done. This is Rosalie. Come on now, you don't know what my name? See them 15 minutes was a fame done. You know like what you girl. Anyway, I'm not make it say I'm a blood clot more. But I am Rosalie. I'll YouTube me there and I'm gonna put myself there. So me cannot stop be famous.
See myself on YouTube I'm gonna put myself there.
Me cannot stop be famous. Me cannot stop be famous. Them screenshot you like fuck them. Think one of them all them supposed to blood clot be me a top girl. Never a flap girl. Remember I know. Enemy me keep a doorbell. Yeah. Everything over the girl them run with it. Oh dog. And there I think that these bitches was Bill Gates.
And there was never Bill Fence.
Guys, port up, run the recharge, so you can give me a 6.
Run
the
recharge.
Lord! Yeah, and I was think that they were Bill Gates. Good girl, how would that? Jesus Christ.
Stop run the recharge.
But there were Bill Fence.
Stop run the recharge. Run the recharge.
Run the recharge.
No.
One life goal. Yeah, the girl in an argument. Then the girl in a rumble and stumble upon nothing. Yeah, you know in a rumble and stumble upon nothing.
Stop, y'all see Lynn.
Remember saying of people. Derek and Tiki on your and there I was thinking that there were Bill Gates. But the girl on my Bill Fence. How would I know shooter ya? Hello, hey, hi. Miss. No, sir.
You can't beg her something too.
No, she only shoot for white mouth girls like me. Top girl never a flat girl. Come on for this blood clot, but alright, stop now. Neil, come eat my pie.
Pie.
Come chat me so we can give my 6. Auntie Munchie.
Chat, you come on the chat.
Why not give me nothing and take back good, but the girl broke out.
Chat, see if you
Jayden.
Yeah.
What you think? You have a good pokey? What you think?
Huh?
You think you have a good poke?
No, I don't think you have a good pork.
Why?
Because that's your belly. Chat, you don't port up there.
So all Dash Belly girls don't have a good pokey?
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying Jesus Christ!
If you not afford, him give me the number.
Alright, so my people. Alright, yes, I'm gonna end it. Want to tell me what you think in the comment section.